Yikes! Look! Hi guys! Hello! This is Ace and Apollo! For today's video, we will eat the zombie brain. Look. See? And then we have a red one. Yikes! Look! Okay. Okay, this one is for Ace and the green one is for Apollo. Okay. Then we will use scissors. Yikes! Look at this, guys. Yikes! Okay. Do not touch muna, ha? Ew! Ew! Do not touch muna. Do not touch. Ew! Look at this, guys! Ew! Oops! Do not touch muna. Okay, the green one. We will open. Yikes! Noik, 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 noik. Ew! Ew! Yuck! Oh, taste! Taste this one. Taste this one. Yeah. Yummy. Yummy. Okay, now, eat mo na.
Zombie.
Eat mo na. Dali. Daddy, can you give me, pork, please? Pork.
Pork.
Ace, wait only for the pork. Ay, dirty na. Oh. Eat mo. Daddy? Ew, yeah!
Ew! Kakainin mo ba yan?
Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Wait. Dahil maarte to.
Hi, wait lang, Ace. Wait for it. Lapit mo. Ew! Are you a zombie? You're
Ano?
eating brain?
Oh, dali.
Oh
Dali
my
na, tusok
God.
lang na, dali. Nyoik, nyoik, nyoik ka.
Lapit.
Oh, no! Ew!
Hindi kasi nakikita yung ano nyo.
Kita. Ew! Oh, no! Oh, bite.
Ew! Ew! Nakakain si Kuya. Kuya,
Si
yung
Yummy?
zombie na.
Oh, my.
Ano ba yan? Bakit ang tigas?
Ang tigas.
Nare. Ang kabala niya na.
Ah! Ang laki ng... Oh my God!
Anong sabon?
Asim!
Okay. Ay, din siya.
Ang asim!
Din siya, di ba? Kapit siya.
Pinagupit. Eat na. Yummy yan? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, Ace? Ace? Yummy? Wow, star bread kami.